Why have I not been doing that? Our squash is done. Check this out. Watch this magic. So you flip over your squash and then you go like this. And it makes this like pasta almost. It looks good. Look guys, I'm glad that I made my squash today because imagine if this would have gone to waste and what a shame that would have been. Putting this in a Tupperware, like the mom that I am. Now I'm gonna add some tomato sauce. Should probably salt it a little bit. And then we can add some tomato sauce. See, this is fun. Is it gross? Like, I can't tell if it's gross. Should we give it a try? Oh, no. Severely undersalted. Watch me oversalt it now too, knowing my luck. Needs more seasoning. Adding a bunch of chili flakes. That's good. Okay, great. Now I have spaghetti squash for the next few days. That was productive, but now what? Oh, and I have 4 lumpy chocolate strawberries. I'm in bed. Let me tell you about my newest skincare craze. So I got this, it's like a red and blue light mask, okay? It's supposed to like kill bacteria on your face. I didn't buy this. I would never buy this because it's $500. This was actually a gift from YouTube. So shout out to YouTube. I've been using it every day and I think it's actually working. I don't know, but literally look at how absolutely over the top this is. So I do this for about 3 minutes per day. I'm reading 2 books right now. The Grapes of Wrath. Not my favorite book I've ever read, but definitely it's okay so far. And I'm also reading 1984 by, oh, already done. That was not 3 minutes. Anyway, I'm reading 1984 by George Orwell. Why is this dying? Oh, I probably need to charge it. I haven't charged it in a long time. But anyway, I'm gonna read. I'll see you guys when I'm done reading, and we'll see what happens. I feel really tired. I think I'm dehydrated.